everyone, this is Carla from the library. I'm here to hopefully demonstrate very quickly how to find out whether or not the library actually has access to a particular article. This is the current example that's come up, I think, from week 2 homework. We have this article from the Review of English Studies. So of course, first you want to find out, do we actually have a subscription or some sort of access to this particular journal. So we want this particular journal, here's the title, and we know we want it from 1940. So I'm going to head to the library website. I'm going to jump right into our classic catalog. I'm choosing the classic catalog over WorldCat because our classic catalog only has our material, and it's much easier to search for specific items. So I am looking for Review of English Studies, looking for it by journal title, and searching. Here's the record for Review of English Studies. If we look down, we can see that we should have it electronically starting from 1925, which is the first volume. We come over here to actually access this and see what we have. So we have now jumped into a different type of software. If you are having troubles accessing this, a lot of times it's because different software applications are not communicating properly when they should be. If you ever have a problem like that, always contact us because we can try and fix it on our end. So we see here we have the full text available in JSTOR, that's the database where it's located, and we should have it from 1925 to 2000. So I'm going to click on the database. Again, we are now transferring to another application or another bit of technology. So here we have JSTOR. If we scroll down here, we want to make sure that we head to the right year and the right subscription issue that has the one we want. We may have to jump back and forth between the citation to see if we have the right one. We know it's from volume 16 and it's pages 116 to 21. We can use that to actually find that in JSTOR, of course. Let's scroll down. Here's volume 16. Issue 61 has the pages that we need, so we just click here to get to the right issue. So this is a list of all the articles in that one particular issue. You'll notice that they are generally by page number. We just scroll down and let's see, it should be near the end. Here it is, Form and Matter in the Publication of Research, pages 116 to 121. Seems like the right author. We now have a PDF version, which is probably the best one you're going to want to go with. PDF is usually better because you can actually get a sense of how the item looked in its printed form, exactly all the layout, all the pictures, everything where the publisher intended them to be. JSTOR happens to be one of those databases that requires a bit more hoops to jump through. They're very restrictive because of copyright issues and stuff like that. So you want to jump over here. They want you to sort of accept terms and that sort of thing. Proceed to the PDF version of the article. And now the PDF version has loaded. You'll notice up here you have the option to print it as a PDF and to save it. I'm not certain if you'll really be able to email. Like I said, JSTOR does not really let you do very much, and I realize the recording screen may have cut off the top here where you can see the print icons and the save icons. But here is the article. Just as a word of advice, when you are trying to print or save or do anything with PDFs, it's best to use the controls that are as close to the document. Here you can see, here we have print and here is save. So this is the article. I hope you guys can find it as easy to find and access as I did. And if you have any questions, please let me know.